Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We are going to be using this anti-fog spray for the bathroom. This is how to use the spray, how to use anti-fog spray to stop your bathroom mirrors from fogging up. That's quite a common issue in the bathroom, guys. And this stuff here is said to help with that. So now I bought this for the car, and I'll do another video of how to use it in the car. But This here is for your windscreen glass, so we're just going to show you how to use it today. This is the mirror that I'm going to be using it on, and So first of all, I recommend you guys, get a microfiber towel as well, and then basically all you have to do is just sit that there for now. I use these ones from Costco. These are really good quality microfiber towels. So get your invisible glass anti-fog spray and just spray it here like this. Bang, bang, bang. Couple of sprays. I like to get the mirror as well. Couple of sprays like that. Grab your towel and then just do some motions like this, like up and down, like that. Just up and down like that. Make sure it'll clean itself up. Yep. So if it dries and it gets streaky, you can just go over it again. But these are really good towels. I really recommend you using microfiber towels. This is perfect for what you got to do. But this here, I will test it later on, and I'll come back with the results once I heat up the shower, and we'll find out if the anti-fog spray actually works. Okay guys, so for testing purposes, I'm going to run this shower up here. I'm going to put it on hot, and I'm going to steam the absolute hell out of this bathroom. I will not be using the vent fan as well, because normally we don't use the fan, and the reason being the fan just does not work. So I will be just facing this away. Okay, I will be facing this away. I'm going to run the tap now. Okay, I'm going to leave the tap on for a bit. I'm just going to make it boiling hot. Well, actually not boiling hot. I'll do it to the amount that I normally shower with. Okay, that should start to steam up soon, guys. That should start to steam up soon. We'll close the door as well. Okay, and now we wait. We will wait and see if this mirror here starts to fog up. Yeah, so normally this mirror gets really foggy. I can already smell the fog. Now I have never tried this spray before, so I'm just curious. Hopefully it works. I hope it solves my problem, guys. So I'm really hoping that this is going to work. I don't know, I have my doubts, but if it works, then at least it's doing what it's meant to. But to be fair, we're not using boiling hot water inside of a car, for example, and my fan does not work, so I don't know. It's not looking good, guys. It's starting to fog a little bit. It's definitely getting foggy in here. I have some streaks on the window. It's very foggy in here. I don't know if you can tell, but it's still working. It's working. Maybe I didn't really put enough on there, but it is working. It is working. It's very hot in here. Actually, I'm getting very hot. but I can still see myself in the mirror. So I think that it is working. Because by now, after using the shower, normally this is like fully fogged up. So the fact that I can still even like see myself in the mirror says that it is working. Perhaps I could have done a little bit more or made the spray a little bit, you know, thicker, but it's extremely foggy in here. It's like even my camera lens is fogged up now on the screen. But I don't know if you can tell, but it's getting very steamy in here, guys. Is it hot or is it just me? Nah, it's hot in here. Maybe a little mixture of both, right? Dude, it's so hot. I don't know if you guys can see the steam in here. Wow, look at that, look at that. Can you see the steam? I don't know, it's hard to see it on the camera. But you know what? I think this is actually working, and I'm surprised. I'm surprised that this is working, and I didn't expect a lot. You know, I don't have my vent fan on. It's extremely hot. The water's on as hot as it can be, guys. 50 degrees I set it to outside. And the fact that I can still see myself in this mirror, there's a little tiny bit of fog here, but you know what? I think that it works because, but like I said, by now this would have already been fogged up. I would not be able to see myself at all. So I'm going to rate and say that this product actually works. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. You know, I am now doing DIY videos on this channel, guys, because that's what I want to do. But yeah, this works, and I'm very happy with this product. So I will be installing this into the car as well, and hopefully it stops that fog in the morning. I don't expect it to be as extreme as this, but yeah, let's just turn that off. Oh shit, that's not good. All that shitty brown water. Wow. Okay, that's kind of gross. This is why you should get filters, by the way, shower filters. That's ew, man. That's nasty as fuck. Anyways, that concludes this video, guys. It works. It does work. It is extremely foggy in here. I need to open the door so I can actually breathe. But yeah, wow. Whew, that's hot. Okay, so yeah, so the product actually works. It stopped the fog. The windows are obviously, you know, a little bit, maybe areas that I could have missed because I didn't really wipe it enough. But yeah, I would say that this is actually quite effective, as you can see in real time, watching it work, watching it get steamy and hot, and yeah, seeing it actually work in person, not just some skip video. You actually get to see it fucking work, and that's really cool. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will try and leave a link in the description if I can find one for like Amazon. So if you guys are interested, I will leave that link there and you guys can go and check it out. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.